that then you don't need to stress yourself until you go and you're looking for Alvedon now to eat, because that one is the selling. Do you know, even sometimes they're forcing people like to eat more, eat more, eat more. Everywhere you go, they say Alvedon, Alvedon. It's advertising, because people have to eat. If they don't eat it, so how we can manufacture more? So everything goes like that. Material, they force people to have more material. Some people also is just sitting and then just only their job is like to create, making design. Next time they're making this level example. They're making this level. Then next they create another machine example, mobile or whatever. They say, this one now is the best, because they have been putting other components which is now is more, they say it's more effective now, is more cool. Okay, I can understand, but I mean, like if I go to one mobile, what is the meaning of to use the mobile? What is the meaning to use a watch? To use a watch is not to sew in big watch like this, my watch. I mean, it's just to know the time. As long the watch is correcting, is showing correct time, then why you need to have a gold watch? Or just to destroy the material again, taking it from the earth, and where you don't know even why they put it there. Did they put there to tell you that you have to have that one to make a watch? Did God tell you that's supposed to be, or what? So I mean, then why I need it? Like the watch have to be 1 million cost, so that when I put it in my hands, or like when I'm going on the road, like the hand is very far, you just to say, hey, look at my watch. This kind of competition for material, so up, you see. So, but of course now the one who, as I told you, the one who create, they are 24 hours making design, and every year they change it. Do you know mobile? They can change it like 2 to 3 times in a year, like a new mobile. And anyone when it comes, is thousands cost. And then after in next year, that one cost you like a 1 cent, because they say this is old now. It's not working. Otherwise, it's not working. Still, I calling even to Africa and talking with my mom there, or my friends there, whatever. So what is the problem? No, because we have been bringing now new software. So you have to update it. But to update this mobile now, the mobile have to have a capacity which can be capable to use that software. But now the capacity, because the designer was not doing that, the capacity should go up to because it's like a step they go, because it's the way how to fool you, or not fool, but I'm just trying to tell you the system how it works. Like I know of course it is the way. So then now in the end, because you know that you can use your mobile still and you talk, but now because of they bring in a software which now your mobile don't have capacity, and this software is that one, because now that one which is working with the internet, then now you are be forced to throw away that old mobile and you buy a new one, because your old mobile now have no capacity because of the new software which they have been brought it. Because then now you have to update your mobile. But if your mobile, if you don't have enough capacity to have that software inside, then that means you cannot not using it. You cannot update the mobile. Otherwise, they can, so you have to upgrade it. Like a year to put some kind of hardware there that one can be able to be updated. But I am just trying to tell you how the game is go. But why I put it in mobile, it's nothing to do with mobile, but I'm just trying to tell you the game, how it go when it comes to materialists. So that's why now you have to force everybody just to buy and buy, just buy and buy. You see? You can see some family like, mother and father and children, everyone have a car. and maybe one is working in. He say why? He say, yeah, because me are working in the night, and then my wife working in the day. So we have to have a two cars. I say, okay, if it was like that, why you who working in the night, your wife can go, because he's working in the morning, he can, I mean, you working in the night and he's working in the morning, then you who working in the night, I mean, you can, she can go and then, I mean, drop you. One of you can go drop one of them. If you work in the night, I work in the morning. So it's like I can take the car. Example, I go with you, and then I can take the car and then drop you there. Then I come with the car. I go to my job in the day. When I finish my job, I can take the car and then I go park it there around where you work. And I take my bike, or I take the bus. I come maybe just some 1 kilometers or not. Then after when you finish your job in the morning, then you have the car there in your company, because maybe you finish early, maybe middle of night or whatever. But then now the car is there. Then when you take the car, you drive it, and then you come home. So then you are going to sleep there the whole day. Then because you are going to work in the night again. Then in the morning, your wife when he's going, because he's working in the day, then he take the car, he go with the car to the job, and then he will go until he finish, because you work in night. Then you come, and when you come, you park the car. Then after you go take the car, and I mean, you understand what I'm trying to say. But still, you can see now both of them three have to have 3 cars. But then, of course, me who are manufacturing the cars, who have the car company factory. So I am the one who are the winner, because I'm happy that like the whole family, everyone, the children, the grandchildren, and everybody should have a car, because then I will sell more. So that's the materialist. But when as I told you, when you come about food, do you know that those farmers, they are the most, especially in Africa, they are the most poor. Do you know they don't have good salary? Even here, they don't have good salary. They have to fight. Even like in Europe, they because they understand, they help them more. But like in Africa, farmers, even if you say I'm a farmer, they say, yeah, even they used to joke. You say, this is a farm man. This you don't know nothing. Look at it now. But they are the one holding the life, because whatever you who are not farmer, maybe you are businessman or you are sitting in the office, so you have to eat before you can be able to, be able to write something. But so if you look at this is the unfair. It's there, because for me it's like the people, farmers who making this food. To be honest, they are the one, even those one who have money should always collect more money and give them more money, because whatever you will say, yeah, but I buy it, it's my money. But even if there is no food, where you can go buy it? You can eat that money. So this is the thing. So then now what I'm trying to tell you, the world, how the world is look like. As I told you, the most important in life is this food and water. But no one cares the one who making the food and water. Mm-hmm. So that's what I'm trying to tell you, how unfair is. So the human is like that. It's like you ignore them, but you don't ignore to eat and drink. But the one who making the food to eat, so then you ignore that one instead. And you say because you have money, you have the money. You understand? Yeah. So, but that one we can take that one next. program.
About what?
We have to discuss, as I told you, about this about the yeah. That's very important.
Yeah, I'm gonna think about it and see how I can have one.
Yeah, and then also as we say again, you know, about because we was talking about, you know, this poverty. Do you remember we discussed about this? It was Friday, how the leaders should work to how they can work against poverty and corruption. Yeah, that one also, as we have been starting that, but I think we have to make some party there, because about for me, like fighting against poverty, also you have to think like about the family plan too. You understand? Yeah, and that one, if we come to thinking about the family plan, as I told you, then we have to think about we have to take it again about this I mean polygamy, because that one also is like affecting or helping to more to the poor, to the poverty, if you get me.
Sure.
Yeah, you know that even like yesterday, I was calculating. I say now, like we say like you have first your first wife, and then you have with that one like three children. Now 3 children, and includes the parents, you and the first wife. Then you are 5 people, right? So now, if you account of those 5 people, now you are go to the economical. Now you look in the financial. Now you look because everything, as I told you, it's like you have to think like a business. So you have to know that you have to finance this. Then to finance this, you have to have a budget. So to have a budget, where you have it, then that means if you have a job, you have it from there. Then now if you have a job, how much they pay you? Then how much you pay you? Then I mean, when you pay tax, if you pay it, then the rest then is the budget of that one is you will be put there budget to finance these 5 family. So, but now to finance this family, then you have to do. I mean, you know, you have to do the. I mean, the you have to account. I mean, what I can say. You have to check it. I mean, administration. You have to check now, like these 5. What do they need? Like you calculate in a month, 1 month, like what you will spend on this family in 1 month's time. So and to do that, first you have to account in a day how much you spend in a day. So when you know how much you spend in a day to the 5 family, then you get the answer, because then you just times that. That amount you spend in a day, you times by 30 days, we can say that, because some more of the month like 31, but we say like 30 days. So then then you time is like 5 by 30 days, because you have to see each how much you gonna spend for. Like we say, first you have to think about what do we start first. We say where you live, the house. So like if you are renting, like we say how much you pay in a month. That is the rent of house. I know even if you don't rent, but like the house also might be, you have to pay electric states, and then and might be water. But now that's why you have to say the house first. If anything you spend on the house, then you say number 1 the house. then after that, then you say, okay, the wife what he need to spend in 1 month. So for them, when they start accounting, it's like the accounting will never stop. I just stop. It will never stop because you know they need to plant their hair, and they need they need clothes, of course. They need shoe. They need like Durex, and they need perfume and all this, you know, and so and so. Then you have to check how much.
Today, I went to YouTube and checked the channel, and I see that you put it out there.
Today.
Yeah, I see it. And what the funny thing was that you just put it yesterday or today?
Yeah.
Man, when I check it, man, the view on that video just that you put yesterday, and the view is going fast, like it's like 8 or 7 views, man.
Yes.
It's like people are watching and that shit.
Yeah.
But did you share it or you just put it?
What you say?
Did you share it or you just put it out?
I shared it also.
On the fan page and
in the what is his name? In the Facebook and in the Twist.
That's good because you know so I was like, wow, the views is really climbing fast on that video.
Yeah. But I put it as I told you in the Facebook also, and in the messengers. But it's like a Facebook too. But I sharing with some there.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I was watching it in the school.
Yeah. But now I think this program we stop here now. And then when we come and we continue and then we can make it part 2, or then we can continue. But this one we can stop here for today. And still, you know, as we used to, I was not present, but as you know, this it's a live melody, as we used to tell you. It's a live melody, and it's a philosopher Moses here with my friends G-Town, William also we call him. And as we say, you know, everybody welcome under the program, because this is an open show, and this is just to try to, you know, give ideas, and everyone who what your opinion, and you know, you are welcome, and support us also, and it's open discussion anyhow, and the whole about, you know, we are more concentrating and focusing on Africa, so because I mean there is our motherland, and then we wish that, you know, little by little until to the future, so everything will be fine, like Africa will be real Africa, so that I mean even you need to go like a holiday to Europe, but you don't need to go there just because you are because of poverty, you know, one day. So that's all about. So and then what do you want to say to the public, G-Town? Because, you know, we gonna stop now the filming. So what do you want to say before we cut off?
I just want to say, you know, y'all should really support us and really tune in and subscribe to the channel, because we always gonna come with a new topic.
Yeah.
For y'all can be, if you're gonna love all the vibration.
Yeah.
And we all, like, you know, want to inspire Africa, especially our people, and I wish all of y'all to tune in and give us the love and the support, you know.
Yes.
Later.
Okay, man. Thank you very much. So now I gonna stop the filming now. So until when we going to do the part 2, huh?
Later.
All right.